In this video we're looking at expansion, mainly expanding expressions. So to expand an expression we use the distributive law. We usually also use, well, my preferred method is to use arrows to help us with expanding these brackets, and each arrow represents multiplication. So as you can see there, we have A and then B plus C in brackets. That's equal to AB plus AC. This is because we get A times B and A times C, which equals AB plus AC. So we're going to look at some examples. Here we have expand and simplify 2 bracket B minus 5. Again, I like to do arrows. So here's my first arrow, and then here's my second arrow. So for the red one, we have 2 times B. 2 times B is 2B, so 2B goes there. We then have the blue arrow, which is 2 times negative 5. We're looking at this whole thing here. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, so minus 10, or negative 10. Alright, so that's your answer. You draw your arrows, they just help you visualize what you're trying to do. The next one here, we have this, minus, and then B plus 1. There's 2 ways to do this. You can imagine that that's negative 1, B plus 1, and then do your arrows. So we get negative 1 times B is negative B, negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. The other way to do it, the other trick, is that you just swap all the signs inside. So we're going to swap the signs. And what that means is B was a positive, so now it's a negative B. 1 was also a positive, so it is now a negative 1, which is the same answer. Notice we have the same answer here. Alright, so you can use arrows like we did just then, or you can just know the trick is that all the signs swap. Next, we have one with multiple terms. We have 3 terms inside the brackets this time, and it works the same way. So we draw my arrow here, draw my arrow here, and then we can draw this arrow going up here. Alright, so first one we're going to do is our red, so 5 times 4 is 20, A squared, because there's no other A's. We then can focus on our blue, 5 times 3, both are positives, so 15. A squared times A is A cubed, and then we have B. Next we'll focus on our green. There is a 5, there's no other numbers, but notice that the C is negative, so I know there's going to be a minus here. And then we have 5A squared C. Alright, so even if there's more than 2 terms inside the brackets, you can still use arrows. Sometimes it may be good to just do them in different colors so you can actually keep track of what's what. But my advice with any of these expansion problems is draw your arrows in. They're just a helpful tip to show you what you're doing, so you don't make a simple mistake. Oh yeah, I need to multiply 5A squared by the 4. I need to multiply the 5A squared by the 3AB, and so forth.